That was a blessing. This post, it's lying like this only. Danger also and big. So you'll have to do something to change this. Yeah, get it. No?
दीजिएगा बस वो एंट्री शॉट से Hey, sit in,
Yeah, go straight, yeah. Very good, very scientifically done. नमस्कार
जी ठीक है जी
This is what we have to now change. In the new proposal of 15 crores, do we have the covering of this also?
Pipelines, you know.
Only pipelines now. Then in the second phase, third phase, the first phase is already done 6 crores, now 15 crores to do with Nala and everything. Then you have to do the beautification of this. The next step. Oh. Huh? The next step should be the beautification. And as far as the footpath,
cái có khi đồn cam chụp năng này bằng năng và ban ai dùng một cái sốt cả ban ai dùng một ya ECM cái có bằng năng lạ chú bằng tên là
like toilets and all.
năng bên này có
Needed, huh? Like toilet and all also.
năng tak lu ka jakali cebar kena kata em ka jakali cebar này cái
Em chắc là thì
jadi ka ba ka biar
They're happy with Sekali, naik bagian. Yeah, wait a minute. Once we can, huh? No, so 15 crores now is for the Nala and the pipes. Because pipes and all a big issue. So that is the first 15 crores. But we can do additional now that we have come. Let us see how we can do additional for covering and all this. It will be good, no? So, sir, the problem of Nala is started from this side. Yeah, this one, huh? This one. This is, I think let them all come. Let us both of us. So we can actually see the real problem that people.
I don't know.